Hi everyone, welcome to today's video on 3 components for building your first online course. So what you will learn today, you will learn that there are actually 3 main components for building your first online course, which is number 1, to schedule for your recording of your videos, editing and uploading the videos. Number 2, short videos that you should create, which is 5 to 10 minutes long. And number 3, how to use section to segmentize the different topics or modules that you wanted to create. Now, first of all, when you have a course in mind, you need to plan it out onto a spreadsheet. Now, spreadsheet allows you to quickly move the different topics to different areas. Whatever thought that you have, you can actually put it down onto an Excel spreadsheet. So you can, from the Excel spreadsheet, estimate the number of hours or number of minutes that are required for each different videos and each section. And the thing is to take note of which hour of the day is the most suitable for you to produce your video. For example, for myself, I find that in the afternoon is the best time for me to produce video. So I'll cater 2 to 3 hours time to produce the videos that are required. Now, work with an imaginary deadline in mind. That means, let's say that you have certain videos to create. For example, you want to deliver by next month. You should set aside X amount of hours and make sure that you actually stretch more hours so as to cater for some downtimes. There are certain days which are unproductive. Try not to create videos during those times where your energy is low. Now, you also need to take note of what is your style of presentation. Is it that your presentation style that you need to see somebody? Is it your presentation style that you actually want to show a face or not? Or is it going to be 100% PowerPoint slides? You need to be consistent in your production. Now, shorter videos, less than 5 minutes, is able to capture audience, especially if it's a training course. Long videos that's more than like 20 minutes, 30 minutes will actually turn the student off in terms of focusing on the topics, and it's not as productive because each section would best to be coupled with action item, like what kind of action that you want your student to take before they move on to the next section. So it's also easier for you to edit and replace the necessary video if the video is a short, like 5 minutes or 3 minutes long video. You should try to keep your total course length duration not more than 4 hours, which is about 48 videos each, about 5 minutes video each. The reason is because for online video course, this is the language you should be able to deliver whatever you want to your audience, and the audience also do not wish to spend too much time just by watching video. Ultimately, they want the results and the outcome that they want. It's the implementation process that you need to bring them through. The use of section is good for concluding a lesson or learning and to tell your student what kind of action they should take. By not taking this action, they won't be able to proceed on to get the result that they want. So emphasize using sections, that different sections is meant for them and where they can also jump back and forth using the different sections. So in summary, keep in mind that your first video course is all about doing. Do not focus so much into making it a perfect videos. Now, when I first started the video production course on video productions on YouTube, I didn't aim for perfect clarity, perfect English or perfect image or perfect video quality. So what I'm aiming at is to getting the action done and fine-tune along the way. You do not need to be perfect. I mentioned action is the most important key to your learning. So plan your video production is important, and this step actually will determine your success in terms of deliverables and the time to launch your course. Now, actually check your state of mind before video production. I know that certain days that you are not in the mind to create videos or to talk on the camera, so don't force yourself to create courses on those days. Take a break or rest or do something else, listening to songs. When your energy returns or when your energy level is high, then you proceed on to create your course, which is more effective and your audience want to see the energy that you deliver. At the same time, the tonality is important. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.